Melissa, and this is my cousin Evelyn, and here's our channel. Okay.
This is getting weird.
Okay, we're gonna go back to our houses now. By the way, the city's called Rainfall. Hello. Hello. Don't mind the cat in the background. She's a statue.
Okay, come on.
The city of Rainfall. The hotel. Evelyn, no. Back. Get back. Okay. The orphanage. The apartments. And old man Robertson's house. Where Shelby, Kira, and Lily live.
These are my best friends.
And the dress shop run by the lonely Justin. Right. Now please enjoy some cat time while we...
Bye, Sassy Cat.
Meow.
Calm
Calm down. Meow. Meow.
I'm just waking up.
Okay, kids. Hopefully today you'll get adopted.
I miss my old parents.
We don't have old parents. We were all found in a box on the street.
But I used to have a nice parent.
How do you know? You were 3 days old.
I don't care. I still had a parent.
Ooh. Get her out of the camera. Really? You did not still have a parent. You never had a parent.
You hurt my feelings. Orphanage runner. She hurt my feelings.
I don't know. Just deal with it. I'm lazy. Now time to eat this entire candy jar.
Nope.
No, Evelyn. Candy. Candy. Wait.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay, so over here now.
At the apartments.
Come on.
Apartment 109.
Come on, guys. You don't even want to go out? No, we're too bored to. Plus, we don't even have any friends.
Here, take it.
Yeah, right. You guys don't even want to go visit your friends. You guys have friends. No, we don't. Plus, we're going out into the lunch area. Get right. Fine, if you guys are going, I'm coming. And the lunch area. It's not that busy here, actually. I'll sit in the corner. I'll sit here. Now sit here. Come on. Okay. We're back in our apartment. We went outside to get some fresh air.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
How about you go outside and enjoy life? And maybe go to the dress store or the adopting center. Maybe you'll even find true love.
Fine.
Hold it.
Fine, we'll go. Come on. Fine. Okay, stop. This is creepy. Just. Oh, what's this?
No, Evelyn.
At the orphanage. Oh my God, we're here. Dang, dang.
It's closed right now. I'm eating away my emotions.
Don't worry, we're the best thing. We're
Walk.
coming
explore some before you come in.
Fine. The adoption center is closed. Ooh la la. Come on. Okay. Let's get.
Ding dong. Oh, come right in, miss.
What did you like her? Got us in!
She's famous. Well, actually not. She's a doctor. And also, there's only one person at a time. Oh, look at this little mouse.
Please adopt me.
Oh, look at this little moose.
Please.
And this puppy.
Oh, I can't believe it. One person at a time, that's no fair.
It's tiny. Open this, okay, Evelyn? I don't know which one to choose, this little bug.
Choose me, choose me. I want out.
I will choose this one. Well, I guess it's another time.
Oh my god. She adopted her, but not us. Unfair! Yeah, totally unfair. I don't care. If you guys don't shut up, you guys are in danger. I have a knife, you know. That was too intense for me. Shut! Oh my god! Get off of me! You don't mess with the rat. What are you guys doing? Just standing there! Don't question me! My friends are here, they're taking slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any. Dang! Dang it! I really thought that would work. But it didn't. I didn't! Ooh, my friends are here, they're taking it slow. Beep beep!
I'm alone. I'm on the roof. I'm on the roof.
I'm alone on the roof. Oh my god. Look at this. I'm bleeding all over. And sparkly still. Ain't that intense? Ain't that intense? I hate your pipes. Look, I don't hate my fans, but give me money so I can move. Beep. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're weird. I don't care. Don't say that to me. I don't care. Okay, well. Oh my god, this feels so soft. I wish you guys could feel this. Feel it. Can you guys feel it? Yeah, it's so nice, ain't it? But it might have some fleas on it. Don't worry. It's not real fleas. It's fake. Try to get to the camera. The camera! Let me out! Ah! Viewing the cupcake on the ground. Viewing base on the ground. Yeah! Oh my god! What are you guys doing? Just standing there. Go to another place. Like the apartment next to us. at the apartment. Okay, guys, we have to go into the adoption center. Or else, I'll press this button to blow up the adoption center. Ain't that a bad idea, though? We might get extinct from this planet. Psst, no, we won't. If I will press the button to blow up the adoption center, then you will. You're being too harsh. I'm going out to buy a kid so I don't get killed. I'm just going out.
How about you go out and have some fun? You have a crash chaser.
Okay, fine. You stay here. I have to find my crush. Hello, can I come in?
Sure. Wait, no, we have a new drive-through. Come through it.
Hello, I can adopt the kid.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's your tip. Oh. See, I put a kid and I didn't let it blow up.
Truth or dare?
Here?
Aw, look at this cute little mouse. Come on. Here you go.
Love, come to me! He's still on the chase. She's annoying. Kids are annoying. Get her dirty legs off her.
Hey, what are you looking for? Who are you looking for?
I never swan.
A girl swan just walked into that dress shop.
And not go!
Huh? Here, at the apartment.
Get you. The what? I'm going to throw her across the apartment. No! Ready, say goodbye. Goodbye.
In Mobius. We don't really have a jail, so I'll put you in this box. Come on. See?
She says she's going to blow up the adoption center. Come on, how is he? I have to get rid of this button somehow without touching it. There's no way I can get rid of the button without touching it. What?
Beep, beep, beep. I just disconnected it. It won't blow up the adoption center now.
God. Oh, dang it. I remember her saying something that she put it all over.
No.
Even on the adoption center.
No.
Okay, but...
Okay, at the trash. I'm just sure if this is the right one, Justin.
Yeah, Mom, Lily!
Can I help you? This is a dress shop, but I think we have men's tuxedos. Follow me to the back. Well, that was weird. I guess I'll take it. I'll leave Justin's money on here.
Okay, I stole enough. I stole enough.
Wait, one more. Okay, how do you think?
I think it's good for where I go from the person.
Come here, I need your opinion.
How do we pause it?